Welcome, Chiliheads, to another episode of Spirituality Through Capsaicin. I am your host, Omelet 24/7, and today we have a super amazing, cool episode. We have a buddy, Mark Thomas. You can find him on Facebook. He's a fellow grower in the Mansfield area. I'm going to try to get him to join the Mansfield Men's Garden Association. But yes, he gifted me this chocolate gator salsa. And I reheated some potatoes, hamburger and carrot stuff that I made. And I throw it on burritos. And I was like, I might as well go ahead and do a review. So yes, give him and me a follow. Oh yeah, instant watered. Oh yeah, mellow. Oh, I ruined it. Oh, I could taste tomato sauce in there. Ooh, it's pretty warm. Pretty warm. Let's try a pepper princess spoon. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the light. This is gonna be awesome. Man, that'd probably be good on pasta. Man, it'll be good on this burrito. Put a whole lot on the burrito. Yeah, then I got an excuse. Oh yeah, that would be drinkable. But why waste a good sauce, you know? I don't know about these chugs and all that. If it tastes good, I don't know. I kind of want to keep it. I like savoring food. Wish I had some cheese. I ran out of cheese yesterday. But I could do without cheese because I'm starting to get fat. Like, man, I can't believe it. No, I mean, I can. I do it all the time. I got my cycle off. I need to get skinny in the summer and fat in the winter, but I think my body's just designed anyways. It works out because I'm get fat midway through summer. That's when I start, and then Man, I knew it. Good job, Mark, dude. Yeah, this dude, he gives me motivation to do stuff. Like, man, what he accomplishes in like 15 minutes is like I used to be. And it's giving me motivation to get back to that guy. So thank you. And he makes good sauces too. And he's from Mansfield. Ohio. Grown in the field, y'all. This is out of his garden. That's why, like I said, grown in the field. I knew I should have made a thing. I needed to drain the potatoes a little more. That's why I'm getting fat. I'm eating a lot of fried food. But it's so yummy. Oh yeah. It's going to be a good Saturday morning. I got to get out there and pick some. I picked some Matapinos yesterday and some Queen of the Nights. Now I got to get the mustard reaper and some blood goats, get those off, and then maybe get one more round out of everything. Oh yeah. Surprise! Dang. Oh yeah. I put a pepper in there. I was just thinking about saying the rating, and then I just ate one of my peppers I put in there. Oh wow. That was funny. Yeah, I put it in my ramen noodles last night, and then ate the one half and then saved half. Man. It is a blessed day already. Took my already good potato, hamburger, carrot deal. Sometimes Brussels sprouts and radishes. The sweetness and the tomatoey warmth of the chocolate gator. Probably the chocolate gator jigsaw. Man, it tastes so good. And it's just the right amount of mellow heat. It's like mellow. But there. Good job, Ohio. Wish I had brought some napkins. I don't know why I forget the napkins. Got some toilet paper. That only works for blowing your nose. I got a better cord, so hopefully the cord works. Man, Oliver. Haha. That is awesome. So yeah, hopefully we got some more pod reviews for y'all. I need to at least do them. I haven't figured out what I was going to do with pods and provs. A lot of people don't like it. So think about sectioning it off on doing the pod review. I don't know what I'm going to do. But for those who watch now, thank you for everything. It means a lot. It actually keeps me going because a lot of days I don't feel like it. If you know my history, I don't really feel like it a lot, you know? I mean, my brothers are gone. I don't know, life has been unique for me. I've accomplished a lot of great things, but have a lot of catastrophes caused by myself and not. I've had to accept responsibility for all my faults and things and had to deal with what others have done to me. I know I haven't done what some have done to me though, but it's not about that, I notice. We are judged to the extent we judge others, and I've unjustly judged people myself, so I can't get mad about people unjustly judging me. Oh, sorry for that ramble, but yes, like I said, give Mark Thomas a follow on Facebook. Great sauce, chocolate gator. Let's get this, we're trying to turn Mansfield around. It was known as the most livable place in America in 2001. I'm pretty sure it's America. It might be Ohio, but I'm pretty sure it's America. And we're trying to get it back there. So why not? You know, everything grows here, rich land, you know? But yes, as always, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.